Hey there, just a quick real estate market update. Today, just a few hours ago, October 23rd, the Bank of Canada announced yet another interest rate decrease. This time they decreased by 0.5 percentage point. This is the largest decrease in the current cycle. We've been used to 0.25% decreases over the last few Bank of Canada interest rate announcements. So this is really great news and probably will stimulate the market a bit in the coming weeks and months. And with yet another interest rate announcement slated for 2024, I expect there will be another rate decrease, whether that's going to be 0.25% or 0.5%, that's yet to be seen. But overall, good news, and we should see a lot more activity in the next few weeks and coming months. And just some observations from the ground level while I've been out in the field that I've observed is the market has definitely picked up, especially when you're looking at freehold homes. So those, whether that be a freehold townhouse, semi-detached or a detached. I've seen those start to move significantly more than they have in previous months, where I've seen a lot of listings stay on the market or be terminated and not sold. So the caveat with that is it's really important to plan your strategy and pricing according to your local market. So that's why it's really important to have a local real estate expert advising you. For example, if you're going with the previous strategy of listing low, holding back on offers for a week and expecting a bidding war to get significantly more than asking, this may not work in your marketplace depending how active it is. So it's really important to consult with someone, like I said, and make sure that your strategy and pricing is in line with the market, because the last thing you want to do that puts you in a real position of weakness is that if you do an offer date, you do not get the price that you were expecting, and then you terminate your listing, bring it back out at a higher price that is more in line with your expectation, it puts you in a position of weakness. And with all the transparency and all the data available, it's not a good look. So it's really important to kind of understand the market, temper your expectations, and move forward with your strategy accordingly. One segment that I have seen continuing to stagnate is the condo market. So I've noticed in my observations is that the reason for this is there is a significant portion of that market that are investors that are looking to rent out. So with these historically high interest rates, the numbers don't always add up. So for example, I'm just using a random number here. So if a condo's market value rent is $2,200 to $2,400 a month, with these higher interest rates, you're not covering costs and you're not making profits. So your bottom line is that you are losing money in those situations. I expect this to slowly change, and especially with this significant interest rate decrease that was just announced today. So I'm really going to keenly be observing what's happening in the condo market. If you are an end user, meaning that you're going to move into a condo, this is irrelevant because you are looking at something you can afford, something that's going to make you happy in an area that you want to live in. So that does not apply to this, but I think that's why we have been seeing a bit of stagnation in that condo market, where things are not selling because of the volume of listings that are intended for investors. Anyways, just some quick observations. I'm going to continue to keep you updated, and as always, thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.